Today you'll learn treble crochet. But what is treble crochet? Treble crochet is a tall crochet stitch created by yarn over twice before inserting the hook, then pulling through loops in steps.
Start working a row of treble crochet. You're going to chain 4. This equals the height of a treble crochet. This will count as your first treble crochet. Then you're going to yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook, and you work them off 2 at a time. Yarn over, draw through 2. Yarn over and draw through these 2. And the last 2. It's a very tall stitch. Yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop. Yarn over and draw through 2. 2 more. And the last 2. Treble crochet. To finish the row of treble crochet, you have to work on top of this turning chain from the previous row. You yarn over twice, insert your hook right into the top of the chain, and you pull up a loop. You have your 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and draw through 2. 2 more, and the last 2. And you've worked your last treble crochet on top of the turning chain, which was your first treble crochet.